In this lesson, we're going to learn about transcriptions. I hope you know what a transcription is. If you have forgotten, I'll just remind you. Transcription means that you change a word from its spellings to its phonetic symbols. One more time. Transcription means that you change a word from its spellings, the spell letters, to its phonetic symbols. Good job. I hope you know that words are made of sounds, and every sound in English is represented by a phonetic symbol. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to transcribe words that have the O sound. Again, say O. Say O. Amazing. Now, where can you hear the O sound? Words that contain the spellings O and A in the middle will say the sound O. Again, words that have the letters O and A have the sound O. For example, coat, loaf, goat, phone. All of these words have the letters O and A in their spellings. They therefore have the O sound. Another set of words that say O are words that contain the letters O and W. Say with me, O and W. Brilliant. Let's see words that have the O sound with the letters O and W. Grow, snow, flow, and show. Great. Finally, another set of words that will give you the O sound are words that contain the letters O and the magic E. Yeah, the letter O and the magic E. For example, nose, note, vote, and stroke. These four words have the O and the magic E and therefore say the sound O. Good. Now it's time to transcribe. When you transcribe, you do not write in capital letters or uppercase letters. No, you write your sounds in lowercase letters. You write your sounds in what? Lowercase letters. Great. And here we go. Remember, we're learning the O. We're transcribing with the O sound. Let's get ahead. Phone. You put your stroke like so. Can you see the slash? You always start your transcription with the slash. Great. One more time. I have a slash. Good. After slash, what sound do you hear first when you say phone? And so we have the sound represented by the letter F. Next we hear the sound O. Repeat with me and say O. Good. And now O comes in right ahead. And now we have fo. The last sound we can hear is the sound And so we have the letter M representing the sound And we close it with a slash. Remember, we only use our lowercase. Make sure you do not forget, we only use our lowercase. O, phone. Great. Quite easy, don't you think? Let's try another one. And this time, we're working with a word that has the OW. And we're taking the word snow. Snow. Can you say the word with me? Say Snow. Good. Now what shall we do first? Remind me. We put our slash. Great. And so we have the slash. Great. After the slash, the first sound we can hear in the word snow is the sound S, and it's represented by a lowercase s. And then we can hear and next is the word, the lowercase n. Again, we have the OW saying oh, and we add the sound O. Say it together. O. Snow. Bravo. Next we close with a slash. Beautiful. We have done foam and snow. One more word. Let's try the word note. Your notebook. Good. Say note. Again, note. Can you help me this time? What shall we do first? Put a slash. Great job. After the slash, the first sound we can hear in the word note is and what shall we write first? Lowercase n. Great. And then we have our O. Oh, good. And lastly we have the what? T, t, t. Good. T. And then we close with another slash. Awesome job. You're so good. Well done, my love. So we have tried the words foam, snow, and notes. Good. How about we use our words to make sentences? Number 1. My mother bought me a brown coat. My mother brought me a brown coat. Good. Number 2. In the winter, it snows. In the winter, it snows. Great.